students. Now you all have shifted to MS Teams for online classes. In fact, you all have started taking demo of live classes, so you are comfortable with this platform by now. Now, after live class, your teachers are going to give you assignments also, like activity, question answers, projects, etc. So, how to go about it? Let's learn about that. We will start the app. This is an ID of one student of class 5G. See, you all are well aware of this screen by now. You all know the options you have with given aside this class team, activity, chat, teams, assignment, calendar, etc. So activity, overall detail of your class activities, chat, the chat you have had with your classmates or your teacher during the meeting or after that also. Team is your class which is presented here like this. Assignments. So we are talking about assignments today. Click on assignments. It will display the list of assignment after confirming your class. You have only one class, so select it. Next. Now see, class 5G has this assignment given by the teacher. This is a timetable. This timetable pick has been given by the teacher, and this is due. Due tomorrow means the student should be well aware of their timetable by tomorrow. They all have to note it down or download on their computer just to make them ready with the work next week. What the classes they are going to have, make them aware of that. So how to go about it? Click on this. It will list out the things it is having: timetable, due date, instruction. Any special instruction if teacher is giving, you can see here below the instructions heading. Then you have reference material, what your teacher has shared. She has shared a JPG file, and this file you can open once. You can see what your teacher has given to you to see. This is the timetable. Once you have seen, close, but you need it every day. So click on these three dots. You can download it to your computer. So it is being downloaded. See, downloading this timetable. Downloading is done. It is asking where to place this. I don't want to open it right now. It has been downloaded to the download folder. Now suppose after downloading, your teacher has given some another assignment also which has some written work. So what to do? How to submit that? Click on add work. It will tell you what are the file formats you can use to submit your assignment. Like here is OneDrive, new file. Click on new file. See, you can use any of these files to submit your work. You can share a link also, or whatever work you have done, you have saved in your computer. It can be in the format of a pic, like you have done some written work, you have taken a picture and you have saved in your PC. So you can upload it using this upload from this device. Suppose this is the file I want to share. Click on this, click on open. My file is being uploaded here. Once it is uploaded, your work is done. You may get attach option also here sometimes. So either attach or done. Your work is uploading to the Microsoft Team app. Now see, it is done. Click on done option. Now see, it is ready to share with your teacher. There is a turn in option where you can click to turn it to your teacher. Turn in. It is giving you a message that what time, what date you have turned in, means submitted your work. Still you have a chance to undo turn in. Undo turn in means suppose you have realized that your work is not yet complete, or this is not the correct file, or you need some improvement, you can undo turn in. Now your work is again with you. So whatever work, whatever things you want to make changes in your work, you can do now. After that, you can turn it into your teacher. So this is the way you can turn in your assignment and submit it to your teacher.